Nani beti, in the first part of decimal fractions, we have already covered this type of questions. Convert into decimal fractions. Here, the fraction is given in the form of numerator and denominator, and its conversion into decimal fractions is expected from us. So how did we proceed? We first of all said that on 1 there are 2 zeros. So we have to write 2 gaps, and since there is no integer here, we are going to write 0.2 gaps, and on these gaps only this number has to be put, and this has to go on the last particular gap. So 7 upon 100's answer was 0.07. So we could do conversion into decimal fractions. Now today we are going to solve the problems which are exactly opposite to this. Now they are giving us decimal fractions and they are asking us to convert them into numerator and denominator form. So this is the first problem. 2.35 is given to us, and then we have to put it in numerator and denominator form. 2 is a full number, and hence 2 becomes integer. So 2 is the integer. Now here we have, after decimal point, 2 digits. Means on the denominator side, 1 will be followed by 2 zeros. And this number we have to write on the top. So answer to first one is 2.35 is equal to 2 integers 35 upon 100. Exactly opposite we are doing. We are counting the digits, and these digits which come after the decimal point give us the number of zeros which we have to put after 1 in the denominator. Now let us solve the second one. 0 is the whole number, means there is no integer here, and here after the decimal point we have got 1, 2, 3 digits. So in the denominator we will have to write 3 zeros after 1, and this particular number will come on top. So 0.018 is equal to 18 upon 1000. Now we come on the third one. 5.7. We have to convert it into numerator denominator form. 5 means whole number is there, and hence this becomes our integer. So this is the integer. Now 7, after decimal only 1 digit is filled, that is 7. That means in the denominator we have got 1, and over it only 1 0 will be left, and this particular number has to go on top. So 5.7 becomes 5 integer 7 upon 10. Today let us find out place value in decimal fractions. Now try to recollect the basic chart for finding out the place values. This is that basic chart. First one, on the extreme right hand side is the units place. We represent it by U. Next one, as we go on the left hand side, comes tens represented by T, then hundreds represented by H, 1000 represented by PH and 10,000 represented by PPH. Now we know that unit means single. So whichever number comes under unit, that number has to be written here multiplied by single means 1. Then we come in tens. Here the number which falls under this tens multiplied by 10. It will be its place value. We come on hundreds. The number which falls under 100 we have to write multiplied by 100. That means starting from 1, we go on increasing zeros one by one. Here 10, here 100, then 1000 and 10,000. So suppose, this is a revision, Nani? You have already done it. Suppose I have to find the place value of each digit in 250. Then 0 falls under unit. So here we can write 0 into 1. That is 0. So place value of 0 here is 0. Now we come on the next one. 5 is the number which falls under tens. So 5 into 10. That means 50 is going to be its place value of 5. Then comes next number which is 2. So 2 into 100, this 100, so makes it 200. So we write the place value of 2 is 200, the place value of 5 is 50, and the place value of 0 is 0. That's what we have already done. This was just a revision. Now we have to come on the place value in decimal fraction. Today we have to find place value in decimal fractions. So Nani, we have to take into consideration the digits which come after decimal point also. So decimal point comes somewhere here after the unit. Now after the unit, the first place is called as first decimal place. The second one is called as second decimal place. Third one is called as third decimal place. Now let us see how to remember the place value for all these places. Unit means single. So on this side, the place value goes on increasing 1, then 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it is multiplication. But on the other side of the decimal point, the place value will go on decreasing because now we have to divide the given number by 10. And this divided by 10 is also written as this. Then second decimal place, whichever number comes in second decimal place, that has to be divided by 100. And hence we can write it like this, the number given upon 100. Third decimal place, that number which comes under third place has to be divided by 1000. That means, Nani, you can remember this entire chart very easily. On the left hand side of the unit, it is all multiplication and the number of zeros goes on increasing by 1. Here on the right hand side of the decimal point, it is all division, and here also in the denominator, the number of zeros goes on increasing by 1 every time. Now we will take one example so that you can follow it better. Now the question can be asked in the following manner. Give place value of every digit. The first one is 213.07 and the second one is 18.287. Let's take the case of first one. 213. Here this is the unit. This is the tens place and this is the hundred place because the decimal point lies here. So we have to write 3 under unit, 1 under tens and 2 under hundreds. Now comes the decimal point. Now next to the decimal point on the extreme right hand side is 0 first. So here in first decimal place there is 0. In the second decimal place there is 7. And in the third decimal place there is 9. Now units 3 are given, number 3 is given, and we have to multiply it by 1 for finding out the place value. So here the place value is 3. Here 1 is the number and we have to multiply it by 10. So here 10 is the place value. And here the number given is 2. We have to multiply it by 100. So it becomes 200. Now we come on the first decimal place, second decimal place. The first decimal place, this 0 is coming. So 0 divided by 10 means its place value is 0. Now in the second decimal place, 7 number is coming. So 7 divided by 100 is its place value. But we have to give the place value with decimal point also. So we can write that since on 1 there are 2 zeros, here in the numerator we will have to write 2 points. And hence 7 will go here, 0 will come here and point will come here. So the place value you can write as 7 upon 100 or 0.07. Now we come on the third decimal place. 9 is the number given and hence we have to divide 9 by 1000. So this is its place value. But we can write this way also. 0 point. On 1 there are 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 means 9 will come here. 0, 0. So either you can write this way or this way as its place value. Second question is give the place value of every digit. 18.287. Catch hold of units place first. On units place there is this 8. So enter 8 under unit. Then on its left hand side we have to write 1 here under tens. Here is the decimal point. So after decimal point 2, 8 and 7 has to be written like this. Now unit means single, so 8 into 1, so its place value is 8. Tens means 1, given number is 1, into 10, so its place value is 10. Now we come on the first decimal place, where 2 is occupying that place. So 2 upon 10. On this side we have to go on dividing. 2 upon 10 can be written as 0.2. Now here next second decimal place is 8 number. So 8 upon 100. So this we can write as 0.8 because here on 1 there are 2 zeros and hence we have to fill in 2 places here. 8 goes here and there is nothing over here, so we have written 0. Now the next number is 7 as we have written it here. 7 upon 1000. So its place value is 0.7. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 places we have to fill. 7 goes here, 0, 0. So its place value of 7 is 0.007.